All right, I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Atelier Wen Perception Moo that was just delivered. It's cool box. Let's see how it was packaged. Very interesting air packaging. It's got a really cool Chinese dragon motif on the box. I'm secretly hoping that the tantalum version is in here, but I'm gonna be stoked for the titanium version nonetheless. All right. It feels heavy. It's a nice box. Okay. Oh, I think it's titanium. It's very light. It's a nice wax seal on there. Perception. Oh, this feels very high quality. Oh, and there it is. There is the watch. The titanium masterpiece. Oh, this looks so good. And it's running. Okay. It doesn't have hacking. All right. Let me try it on. Definitely need to adjust the strap. No duties or anything. I just paid for the watch and just arrived on my doorstep. How do I get this off? This feels great. And the bracelet already, the finishing on it, it's nice. It looks great. Wow. That dial is very different from photos or just online images. Wow. Catches the light very nicely. I am dying to try this on. And that case back too. It's so thin. All right, I'll be back after I unwrap this. Comes with the suede travel case. It's really nice quality. Screwdriver to adjust the link, the bracelets. Oh, it's good. It's good quality tool. And I think, oh yeah, the polishing cloth and a little manual booklet. And I think this is the warranty card information. Or is it? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe this is just a holder for the instruction. And I feel like it wears well for my small wrist. I have like 6¼ 6½ inch wrist. And it looks pretty good, I think, to me. Very thin too. And that bracelet, it surpassed my expectations. The finishing on it's great. The movement on it is great. Yeah, it just tapers down. The last lug is like kind of long. Like these two lugs, the first lug off of the case doesn't bend, which is slightly weird. But it works for my wrist. I wonder how that will wear on the daily. We'll have to keep an eye on that. And then this clasp extension is very interesting. Small touch. It's very interesting. I've never seen that on a watch before. Very detailed. There's like a little piece of plastic there. I'm going to keep that plastic there for now. And the micro adjust. It's cool. It's hot right now, so I'm going to adjust it to my wrist in the fully extended position. So when it's winter time, I could just whoop, shrink it in. Yeah, the articulation of the bracelet and the middle links looks amazing, at least to me. I really like the 222 bracelet. The Vacheron Constantin 222 is probably my dream watch, grail watch. For what, $3,500? I'm very happy with this bracelet. Very, very happy. Yeah, cool watch. I like it. I'll do some review after some daily wear, see how it wears. But very happy with the watch and the finishing. Maybe not as articulate as some brands, but I think with this design, it's flexible enough. It looks so cool. Let's put this back. I just resized it, and this is sick. Feels so good. And the micro adjust is nice. It has 4 positions. Yeah, this will be my daily wear for the time being. I just measured it with the watch accuracy meter on my phone, plus 1 or 2 seconds a day. It's pretty impressive, at least for now.